Hello loves, welcome to Unique Mix by Christina. Today I have week 4 of the Scrapbooking Made Simple Warehouse Sale. So let's go ahead and check out the goodies I was able to get. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, so the first thing I want to share is this extra large stamp and cut. And this one does come with some, and this is from Heroes Art. It does come with some sentiments. This one's a Christmas, which is, it does come with sentiments and a foliage die. And this has, and best wishes for the new year. Merry Christmas. Wishing you a very season's greetings from our home to yours. Holiday season, warmest wishes. So yeah, they have a lot of sentiments on there. Love that. So that was the first thing. Now this is from the warehouse sale in December. And like I said, she has it twice a year. So this is actually a good sale to go to, especially if you're starting off with paper crafting, stamping, die cutting, and they even have paper pads on there, etc. This is a good sale to go to get some good price items. They're not new collections, but they are still new to you because they've never been used. But yeah, this is actually a nice little sale. So the next thing I have is some jemmies, and I did get this in the gold glitter. What is on Nemo dots? Got that one. And this one here is Rhinestone Ice Blue. Look at that. That's a pretty color. Love that color. And of course, I got it in the light pink because I love pink. Those are rhinestones. And then I did get another rhinestone, and this is the light blue. Look at that. How gorgeous are those? And then another one in lilac. Love it. I love jemmies. I love rhinestone. I like glitter. I like all that shiny stuff. And then I have it in mint. And I also have it in fuchsia. Real nice. Love those. The next thing I have here are some dies with a stamp, matching stamp. So this one is a bear with a penguin, and like I said, it does come with stamp and a coordinating die. Those are so cute. This was part of this collection. I think I might have, I don't know if I have, oh, I see. And then I did get the bear with the little bunny on a sled. These are so cute. Cute, cute, cute. And then a panda bear. Yeah, so this is all from this. So I got all 4 of those. So the panda bear with the die. And then the last one is the Santa with the die. How cute is he? Look at that. That is super, super cute. So I got those 4. I didn't know they were a set. Okay, the next thing I have here is this coffee paper collection. There's 20 double-faced sheets. You have 4 designs of each one, and it is 170 GSM. Let's look at these paper sheets. Let me open this. Coffee. I already love the blue. Look at that. They come in blue. Oh, so you get 4 sheets of each. Now look at that. The cookies. The coffee bean. Oh, I love words. I like it when it's got words and stuff on the background. And then you got the light brown. Maybe it, right? Yeah. So yeah, so you get those. It's a real cute collection. Real nice. Love it. Love that. That's pretty. Okay, the next thing I hauled, well, the last few things I hauled, let me show you these here. They had these stamp pads. Now they had a lot of the other colors. And this is the part where, with the warehouse sale, if you don't check out before someone else does, these will go out of stock. Now they did have more of these colors, but I was able to at least get 2. The other ones I really wanted, they already sold out. So, but I was able to get these 2, and this one is a purple, and this one is Saint Valentine. So I was able to get at least these 2. Got those, and then from Heroes Art, I was able to get these mini pads. So these ones I was able to get a lot of them. So I got the orange and like the yellow. Those. Well, this one is South apricot and soft vanilla. I was able to get orchard and pool. I did get pine and moss. I got soft pink and ultra pink. I got soft purple, and then the last one I got caramel. So yeah, it was a nice little haul that I had. And like I said, they do come twice a year. I didn't get the rest. I wish I would have cashed out earlier to get these stamps pads, but it is what it is. At least I got 2. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what is your favorite. I think these stamps, I like it all, but I think these stamps are really cute. But yeah, make sure you keep a lookout for Scrapbooking Made Simple warehouse sale. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notifications so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.